To connect your boards and brackets, take a bracket and slide one onto both ends of your board until the snap lock hole is lined up. Then take a snap lock plug and lay it flat on that snap lock opening, and with the palm of your hand apply firm pressure until it snaps into place. Then flip your board around with another snap lock plug, and with the palm of your hand again, snap it into place. If you're having trouble installing these snap lock plugs by hand, you can also use a mallet or hammer. If you think that you've installed your bracket in the wrong orientation and you need to remove it and flip it around, you can do so using a flathead screwdriver. Insert the head of the flathead screwdriver into the openings found on either side of the snap lock plug. Apply firm pressure into the snap lock plug and then twist up. Then flip it around and repeat this step on the other side of the board.